Hi, buying Deta Elis Holding products was never this easy. At first, you should know that you must have an account with an active membership to be able to purchase any of the products. There is a very quick and easy step prior to checkout, guiding someone to log in if he's an active member or register himself if he's a new or expired member. Moreover, new members, they should have a sponsor number in their hands or a link given to them by their sponsor or the one who has introduced you to our online store. We must go online, and for the active members having an account with us, simple, they type https://devita.store, and we are entering our online store. Versus if someone is a new member, simply has to enter the link given by his sponsor. In this, for example, in this time is an extra number at the end, and we are entering exactly to the same store. Step number 1, you can choose for more than 35 products displayed on our website on 3 categories like Devita devices, Delixir supplements, and business products. As well, we have selected combinations either for new items or promotional items or all the products. After choosing what to buy, we are immediately go to the next step. If I continue going to the basket, and then I am entering in a process having another 3 minor steps to follow, which definitely number 1 is how to log in if I am an existing member, this side of the screen, or how to register if I am a new member given a link from someone. So after login or registration, by filling all the necessary information, for those who register, they are going to receive a welcome email as well. Then we are coming back to the basket to continue with the second step, either choosing a delivery address or keep the existing address that you used during registration. And most importantly, you must choose a warehouse, which is either Greece, Athens, or Fulda in Germany, or the company in Cyprus. It is very important to say that if you are planning to pay by debit or credit card, for the time being, we are suggesting to select the Cyprus warehouse. So I'm clicking on Cyprus warehouse. Now let's continue to the next step, payment method. We have already choose our address, we have already choose our warehouse. Simply now we are choosing our payment methods, which is either we have already some funds in our accounts if we are existing members, or if we are simply new members, go directly to card payment with JCC payment system. We proceed to the order, we accept, and we are diverted to the secure web page of the payment provider, which is JCC, and simply we follow the steps given here. And I have to mention that it's a very secure method with 3D Secure. So those using 3D Secure to their countries, they will receive probably an SMS text message on their phones for the verification. This message comes from their banks. After proceeding this, finally is the verification of your order, and we gladly say that you are going to receive your product by courier within the 3 to 7 next working days. Thank you for listening.